Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials so nothing interrupts setup. Write down the SIP server, admin user, VLAN ID, and allowed IP range. Power the Fanvil via PoE or adapter, then connect Ethernet to your switch. Once done, pick up the handset briefly to verify boot prompts. Make sure you note the phone, MAC, and firmware version on the label. You will need these for auto-provisioning and DHCP reservations later. You now configure networking and the SIP account through the web GUI or phone keypad. If using DHCP, reserve the MAC, otherwise set a static IP and apply VLAN and co-S tags so voice gets priority. Next, add the SIP account. Enter username, auth ID, password, server address, and choose transport. Use TLS for encryption when available. Finally, select codecs and configure RTP ports and NAT traversal with stun so audio works through routers and firewalls. You finish by provisioning and validating every feature. Point the phone to your provisioning server using http/https/tftp with the MAC-based template, then reboot to load settings. Make test inbound and outbound calls, exercise hold, transfer, and voicemail to confirm operation. If something fails, first recheck credentials and server addresses, then verify NAT, firewall rules, and that SIP and RTP ports are open. As a quick tip, enable SIP debug logs to capture registration failures and speed diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.